Hello and Namaste my dear friends. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. As I said in my last video that this whole month I will be sharing Disney themed DIYs. Also please make sure to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram because a big giveaway is coming soon. Now today I am sharing Minnie Mouse inspired cupcake mobile cover. So let's get started. Now first you will need a mobile cover that fits to your phone. I am using clear case for my OnePlus 6. Now apply white acrylic color as a base coat. Make sure to cover all sides as well. Then keep it aside to dry completely. Next, I am using pastel blue acrylic color as my background. And then again let it dry completely. Now I am inspired by this Minnie Mouse cupcake fridge magnets that I saw at Hong Kong Disneyland, and I took picture of it as a reference to create this DIY. I already drew a cupcake design with pencil. Now I am referring to that picture I showed you earlier and coloring exactly like that with acrylic paints. I mixed a lot of white acrylic paint to make pastel shades. You will need to apply double coat on everything to make it opaque, and that will help your design to pop even more. Now I am coloring classic Minnie Mouse bow with red acrylic paint. Now it's time to color Minnie ears and cake with black acrylic paint. Now I am using dotting tool and white acrylic paint to create polka dots. Now add some highlights to make this cupcake look even more interesting and cartoony. Now I am outlining everything with black marker. Now seal the mobile cover with a layer of Mod Podge, and it is very important step as Mod Podge will prevent the pen from chipping so that you can use it for a long period of time. Now let it dry for 3 to 4 hours. And your delicious Disney theme mobile cover is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you recreate it, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with hashtag DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these 2 videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!